guys, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you how to unlock any Android phone without resetting factory or without losing your data in the phone, that everything will be intact. You won't have to reset the factory or wipe off your data while unlocking your phone password. But before I start, please, this video doesn't in any way promote any illegality. This is for educational purpose, please. So please, I'm not making this video for you to use it for crime, for stealing, for lifting, for pinching, call it whatever name you call it. This is for educational purpose. So let's start. So this is my phone. This is a Vivo phone that I'm using. You can see it's locked, and I tried a wrong password. Wrong password. I tried another wrong password. It's not going. So let's start. Now please, you have to be very careful, and you have to follow the steps in this video very well. There should be no step skipped. Every step should be followed. So let's start step 1. Step 1, open your phone. I'm going to lock this back. I'll open it. I'm sorry, my fingerprint is doing that. Open the phone. Go to the emergency call section of the phone. So this is the emergency call area of the phone. Now type in the following code that I'm about to give to you now. 618341 star hash star hash star 58461 star hash. So I'm going slowly so you can follow. Star hash star 4856 and you dial. Now in some phone it may show SIM 1, SIM 2 while dialing using the emergency call area. But in my own phone, the Vivo phone I'm using, there's no options for SIM 1 and SIM 2. So just go ahead and dial. Whether you're using SIM 1 or SIM 2, just go ahead and dial it. So I'm going to dial it, and there will be a prompt, call not sent. This code, this number is not an emergency number. So you tap OK. Now you go back, wait for 5 minutes, wait for 5 seconds, sorry. You wait for 5 seconds after you've dialed. Wait for 5 seconds. I think it's up to 5 seconds now. Go back to the emergency call area and type this other code I'm going to give to you. Star hash star hash star 6535 62 49 14 418 star hash star hash. I'm going to take it again. Star hash star hash star 6535 62 49 418 star hash star hash. Then you dial it again, just like we did in the previous step. You call the number again. It's still going to prompt that call not sent. This number is not an emergency number. So you tap OK. Go back, wait for 10 seconds before return to the emergency. We're still going to go back to the emergency call area. So 10 seconds have elapsed. Let's go to the emergency call area. Please make sure you follow these steps. There should be no steps skipped, and the number I'm giving it to you and the code I'm giving to you should be the same. You shouldn't skip it, because if you skip even one single code, it's not going to work. Now the step number 3, dial this code star 3813 star 18131 star 92826 hash. Take it again, star 3813 star 18131 star 92826 hash. Then you call it again. That's step number 3. Now it's still going to show that the call was not sent. The number you just dialed is not an emergency number. You say okay. Now we still need to wait for another 5 seconds. So 5 seconds have elapsed. Now this time around we are not entering into the emergency call area of the phone after we finish the step 3. Now we are going to where we are going to put a pin. Now type in this pin 9860. Type in this pin 9860 3 times. Your phone has been locked. Depending on the kind of phone you use, they will tell you your phone has been locked. Try it again after 30 seconds. But you need to put in that same pin for 3 times. So let's wait for 30 seconds. Type in that pin again, 9860, 9860, 9860. Okay. Now wait for another 30 seconds. Now after 30 seconds, after 30 seconds, it was my fingerprint that opened it. My finger was close to it, so we are still my phone is still locked. After 30 seconds, you type in the same pin 9860. It's still showing you wrong pin. Now what you want to do next is to restart your phone. So we are restarting our phone now. In whatever way you're using restarting your phone, like in my own case, I press this button, this power button, press and hold, and it will show these 2 options. Press and hold the power button to show the restart. So I'm restarting my phone now. So it's gonna take some seconds or like a minute or 2 for my phone to reboot. Now after the phone reboots, you are still going to type in that 9860 pin again. That's the pin you are going to use to unlock your password. So like I said guys, you have to follow the steps very carefully, because if you miss any single code, you get everything wrong. So if I'm too fast, if this video is too fast for you, use the speed options from the settings to slow it down. So my phone has reboot and it's prompting me to enter password. So I'm going to enter this 9860 and it works.